Advantages of decentralization. Decentralization. Decentralization means delegation of authority at every level. It is the even and systematic distribution of decision-making authority to the lowest level of management. Under decentralization, every employee working at different levels gets some share in the authority. Advantages. The importance of decentralization can be discussed with the help of following points. Reduces the burden on top executives. Decentralization relieves the top executives of the burden of performing various functions. Centralization of authority puts the whole responsibility on the shoulders of an executive and his immediate group. This reduces the time at the disposal of top executives who should concentrate on other important managerial functions. Facilitates diversification. Under decentralization, the diversification of products, activities, and markets, etc., is facilitated. A centralized enterprise with the concentration of authority at the top will find it difficult and complex to diversify its activities and start the additional lines of manufacture or distribution. To provide product and market emphasis. A product loses its market when new products appear in the market on account of innovations and changes in the customer's demand. In such cases, authority is decentralized to the regional units to render instant service taking into account the price, quality, delivery, novelty, etc. It promotes motivation. Decentralization of authority promotes the morale of the employees and create a feeling that they are important to the business. This will improve the productivity and efficiency. Executive development. When the authority is decentralized, executives in the organization will get the opportunity to develop their talents by taking initiative, which will also make them ready for managerial positions.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.